Hello folks, welcome to the Night Sky Imaging channel. My name is Ed Overstreet, and I'm going to begin a multi-part series. I'm going to try to keep these videos short and address the different steps that I use when I process a narrowband image, and when I complete that, then I'm going to do the same thing with an LRBG image, and this will be shot with a mono. These were both shot with monochrome cameras. So that's the plan, and given enough time I may use a one-shot color camera processing script as well and do a third series, but right now I'm going to focus on narrowband and LRGB. And I've made attempts to start this. I get so sidetracked with both my work and other issues, so I'm going to try my best to do a begin to end, and I'll start out with I'll start out with going through my images and getting rid of those that are not going to work. They have problems, and so getting rid of the problem images is my step one, and then I will use the PixInsight weighted batch processing script, and from there linear fit and crop and run DBE, and then do a multilinear transform to remove some noise, run into a color calibration script that's going to work, and then it's time to pull the luminosity layer out, work on it, and so from there we'll go into the histogram transformation and apply that to the luminosity layer after we have deconvoluted it, and we'll have once we go to nonlinear, then we're going to do a lot of that work both in PixInsight, but a lot more is going to be done in Photoshop. So let's get started and look for part 2.